I'm what to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking on my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by Ebony Line. So thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. You guys, before we get started, I need you to do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I definitely don't want you to miss it. Alright, so today's unit is from the company Vivica A. Fox. It is a pre-plucked ear-to-ear Swiss lace front wig. This one has the hand-tied parting and unlimited parting options. This is in the color number 2, and the style that I have today is called Semele. So yeah, it looks like she's just a long curly unit, not too curly like a body curl. It looks like this one is going to be really pretty and pretty straightforward. One thing I am curious about is how their ear-to-ear parting is. I don't think I've ever had a Vivica A. Fox unit that is ear-to-ear parting. I think I've only had the, preset part. So I'm definitely curious to see how this is going to look. So once again, this is what the stock card is looking like. You guys know I rarely get like natural colored wigs, but when I do get a natural colored wigs, I try to steer clear of a 1B or a 1. I try to show you guys something other than that, because I know that's like a safe color and it's like what most people end up usually getting. So I try to show y'all something outside of the 1B range. So this is a color number 2. If I am gonna get a natural colored wig, I tend to get a 2 or a 4. So this is a 2, and as you can see, a 2 is still dark, it's still natural, it still looks dark, but when you're in the sun, it does give you a little more dimension, which is what I like. Let's take a look at this lace color. So the lace color is okay, but it's looking a little gray to me, so I'm definitely going to tint that. I do like how the parting is looking though. That parting is looking really good. The density on the wig overall seems like it's not very dense at all. It's not like a super full unit. I do like the waves. I like how bouncy it is. The hair is looking a little shiny to me right now, which is a little bit of a concern, especially in the number 2. Sometimes in the number 1 you can get that shine, but in a number 2 usually you don't. So that's a little bit of a concern for me right now. There are some baby hairs on this unit, so that's definitely a plus. Let's get into the cap construction. So we have 2 combs on either side. We have 1 comb in the back, and we have 2 adjustable straps. We have a lot of good parting space in this frontal, so you're going to be good with that. You're going to have a lot of options. So I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off that I'm rocking right now. If you like this one is from Janet Collection. I do have a review up on this one on my channel. This one is also from Ebony Line, so I will leave a link up here or in the info box down below so you can check out this one. So I am going to go ahead and grab the Ebin New York Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray in skin tone medium brown. I have started using this because I feel like it's a little better. You don't get your hairline as wet as you do when you use those other cans. In the spray bottles of the other lace tint sprays that I've used in the past, there is a drying time that you have to wait for, but I like that this you can spray and just keep it moving. Okay, I definitely like the lace on this one. It has a really, really nice Density is very, very soft. It's very natural. Now, what I'm not crazy about is the shape of the hairline. Wow, that looks really good. That looks good. What I'm not crazy about is the shape of the hairline, but you can definitely work with that. The hair is so lightweight. It's like feather soft. It's light as air. It has a very natural virgin hair type of feel to it. This hair feels like the weight of it and the density of it feels like human hair. This is definitely given, you know, loose wave type of tease. It's definitely giving loose wave type of tease. Like, yes, I love it. I like the curl pattern on it. And I definitely love the density. I like how you have some bang here to work with. And I just like how light and airy the hair is. The hair is very light. I'm going to go ahead and lay down the hairline. Also, I like that the ear tabs are freely moving, so you can kind of manipulate them as you choose. I'm gonna cut away some of this lace. Just to free up my ear a little bit. But yeah, I'm really loving this. This is cute. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and used my hairspray. I used my Style Factor to go ahead and lay my baby hairs down. I do have somewhere to go later on today, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this wig on. That's why I decided to actually like go ahead and lay it down. My synthetic wigs, I don't always do that. But I felt the need to go ahead and do it today. So this is lifting up. I think I'm gonna grab my Got To Be for this area right here. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. Yeah, I'm gonna just grab my Got To Be for this area right here. All right, so this is pretty much good to go. That's about as good as it's gonna get. This is Jessica.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey, girl. Hey, whose number is this?
This is my phone.
Oh. Nothing, girl. About to get on the road. I'm just finishing this video. Let me finish this. I'm going to call you from the car.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
I'm ready for my bed.
Alright. So I'm going to just brush this out. This hair is so lightweight and pretty. Like, I absolutely love it. I was a little skeptical of this wig, I'm gonna be honest. And I feel like you could tell how like tentative I was being in the beginning of the video. There were some things that were concerning, but look how beautiful this wig is. Like, if you guys have not checked out Vivica Fox, her wig collection, like some of them, it can be very hit or miss. And maybe that's why I was so skeptical, because her wigs can be very hit or miss. absolutely gorgeous. Love this wig. This wig is everything. And you don't have to part it like this. You can part it in a bunch of different places. It's a really nice length. Still is a little shiny, to be honest. That is still there, but I do think this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I'd like to try this wig in a couple other colors. But for now, very cute. Very cute. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. As far as I go, this unit is definitely Dragoness approved. I will leave links down below to Ebony Line so you can check out this unit for yourself. Just click the link and check it out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you hit that share button. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share it with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.